Alright. So, every time makikita ko si Georgie, si Sheldon Cooper, from the show Young Sheldon, if you know their story. Uh, the older Sheldon, um, in a sense, hates his father. Pero yung show na Young Sheldon shows him in a different light. So, people saw him na, okay, he is a good father. Yes, hindi siya perfect. Yes, he has his weaknesses, as all humans do. But then again, he tried to do all the thing he think is right for his children. Right? Now, meron talaga mga bad parents, meron talaga mga magulang na pinapabayaan yung mga anak nila or hindi marunong mag-alaga ng bata and so on and so forth. Kaya nga, a friend of mine and I do agree na wag ka magpapamilya o wag ka magkakaanak if you are not ready on taking care of a kid. Kasi that's a new life. How you Paano mo palakihin yung bata would affect the next generations. That could be an ex-corrupt official, an ex-terrorist, or a good official, and so on and so forth, right? But then again, we do our part as parents. We only guide, we don't force things. And decision din naman ng bata. They have personal decision, and we are only a guide. Ganon din bilang kaibigan, di ba? We are a guide, we are encouraging, nakikiramay and so on and so forth, or bibigyan ng advice, but at the end of the day, that's their decision. Yes. And, well, have, may mga problema din sa buhay. And, nung nakilala ko si Lord, that's the time that I was able to respect and honor or even value my parents. Sabi ng bata ka, laki ka napapalo, medyo hindi okay, di ba? And many other reasons pa kung why. Mas close ako sa mother ko kaysa sa father ko. For a reason I cannot disclose here, of course. But as I get to know God more, and as I allow God to help me forgive and to respect them, to honor them, God made me show that my father did things he did for the family in the way that they think is okay. Siyempre, hindi perfect yun, di ba? And we all do that. Um, akala natin okay, akala natin tama, we will do it. That's where the difference of knowing God and being led by God would go. It does not mean na perfect na like si David or like sila Peter or like sila um, Abraham, Moses and so on and so forth. Yung mga parts pa rin syempre nagkakamali at harap pa, but at the end of the day, if we really allow Him to lead us, there are really moments wherein if logic pinagana mo, it would be worse. But if you allow God to lead you, even if it sounds illogical, talagang gagana ang mga bagay-bagay. So, yeah, be led by God in all things. And even if our parents is not that great, honor them does not mean that you would tolerate yung mga maling ginagawa nila, but honor them, respect them, love them, care for them. Nalala ko si mama lagi yung sinasabi na kahit anong meron sila ni pa, that I should still respect him as my father, love him as my father. And, yun din. Kaya minsan pag nakakita ko ng mga family na nag-broke up tapos they would disrespect their father because of this and that, I would always remember my mother. Because dati hindi ko gets, pero now I do. At the end of the day, lahat ng tugot pawis nila, di man kami pinabayaan pa. The love is there and so on. So, yeah. Respect, guide, lead. Lahat naman tayo, may kanya-kanya tayong childishness. That's why we need the great Father, the great parent that there is, which is God, to guide us. Because He is the one who created us, He's the one who made us, and knows what's best for us. Even if it seems humanly illogical, He knows best. Be guided by Him in all things.